Hello my dear student. Today I am going to explain you similar triangle and properties of similar triangle in this lecture. Before that I want to inform you one thing, that I am referring Master State Board SSC 10 Maths books Part 1 and Part 2 for theorems, examples and algebraic concepts. Okay? Now, आता येऊन देतो. Similar triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, so this is a triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF. If angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, and if AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF and E is equal to AC upon DF, then triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. This is a sign of similarity. Okay, that is, what is the meaning of all this? If two triangles are similar, if it is given, then their corresponding angles are congruent or what, equal, and sides are in proportion. Okay, now for example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, triangle ABC and triangle PQR both are similar, suppose given. That means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, and the test is what? CAST, that means corresponding angles of similar triangle. Okay, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, reason CSST, that means corresponding side of similar triangle. Okay, you have to mention this reason before solving the questions. Now, test of similarity. There are three tests. One test is this AAA test, that means all angles, if suppose two angles are given and if three angles are equal, then these two triangles are what? Similar. This is the first test. And in this case, if two triangles are given congruent, then also what? Third test fulfilled. Okay. Second test SAS, that means side angle side. If suppose two triangles are given and if their corresponding two sides and angle between them is congruent, then that two triangles are similar. Third test SSS, that means all sides are what? Equal. If two triangles are given and if all sides are equal, then these two triangles are what? Similar. Two sides are equal or what? They are proportional. This you remember, equal or what? Proportional. Properties of similar triangle. Number 1, triangle ABC, similar triangle ABC, this property is called reflexivity. If triangle ABC similar triangle DEF and then triangle DEF similar triangle ABC, then this is a property called similarity. And if triangle ABC similar triangle DEF and triangle DEF similar triangle GHT, then triangle ABC similar triangle GHT. This property is called transitivity. Okay, now on this we will discuss theorem of area of similar triangles. Okay, now theorem is this: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of these triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So I will give you an explanation what is the meaning of this. If this is a triangle ABC and this is a triangle PQR, and these two triangles are suppose similar given, okay, then the area of this triangle upon area of this triangle, that means ratio of what areas of these two triangles is equal to this ratio of the what squares of their corresponding sides. Means this corresponding side means AB and PQ is corresponding side. So square of this upon square of this is equal to ratio of what areas of that similar triangle. Okay, now I will explain you proof. Okay, so write down proof properly. This is what figure. In this figure, AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to what QR. That means AD is height and PS is height. Given triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, AD perpendicular BC and PS perpendicular QR. To prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, now proof. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Statement number 1. In triangle ADB and triangle PSQ, angle B congruent angle Q given, because this is a corresponding angle of what similar triangle and this is given. So, angle D congruent angle S, DS congruent angle S, because each is of 90 degree, and therefore triangle ADB similar triangle PSQ test a test of similarity. Two angles are what equal, and therefore AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. Reason write down CSST, that means corresponding sides of similar triangle. Statement number 2. But triangle ABC similar triangle PQ are given, and therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, corresponding sides of what similar triangle, and therefore this is statement number 3. Therefore AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR from what 2 and 3. Suppose this is a statement number 4, and then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR. This BC upon QR I replace from what AD upon PS. So this is from 1 and 4, and finally area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into BC, BC square upon QR into QR, QR square is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Hence, theorem is proved. Okay, now this is enough today. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.